Vanessa. Welcome back to my channel where entrepreneurs, big and small, can learn, thrive, and find community. Today we are diving in on how to create a logo in Canva. Now, as a graphic designer, I love Adobe products. I love them so much, but I know not everyone has either the funds to invest in Adobe products or they may not be design savvy. And Canva is a fantastic free resource for you to design your own logo and to start off your business in such a better place than it would be without one. So if you like videos like this, make sure you give it a like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're notified every time I post a new video. So without further ado, let's jump on into it. And I'm gonna walk you through how to create a logo in here. Canva has so many different amazing design templates that can help you in really any part of your business. So we're gonna dive into a logo, and I think that is going to be really cool to kind of see what they have and how to adjust it for yourself. And things to keep in mind when you do design a logo. So as a graphic designer, going in designing a logo, you want something that's super simple, that's legible, that reflects your brand even within the logo, as well as something that can be translated into black and white easily. Now, that part is important because let's say you happen to be going to a printer or sponsoring something and your logo can only be printed in black and white. You can't rely on the fact that you're always going to have the color in it. It's going to be more dynamic with the color, of course, but you want to have a logo that can also be broken down into black and white, because there are cases and there are scenarios that that's going to be the case for you. So that is just a little thing to keep in mind as you do that. I am a huge advocate for Canva because it is a fantastic tool to use, especially if you're new to design and you want to kind of jump in and learn a bit more. And also it's free. Like, they do have a pro version that gives you a lot more things, and that is probably less expensive than Adobe products. But if you are not in the space to invest in Adobe products, this is a fantastic way to get the most out of any design needs that you may have. So let's go through, let's see what they have. Wow, they have a lot. They look really cool. I'm kind of thinking of something that is super, like, kind of circular. Ooh, I really like that. Ooh, let's do that. Let's say, just for giggles, we're gonna say that we have a soap making business. So let's do this. That one's really cool. It's really simple and it can be printed on a label super easy. So I'm gonna rename it up here and say soap shop, or let's think of a name. Lavender or lavender soap shop. Cool. So then we're gonna go in here and we're going to edit it. So you can edit any of these things. So we can look in here and see if different text would work better. I think that's actually really pretty. You can go down the line and see if there's better text. Actually, yes, that's what I want. Okay. So we're gonna type in lavenders, and we're gonna adjust it just a bit. Clearly can't spell lavender for the life of me. There we go. And now we are going to move it so it's more center in here. Perfect. And those guides come up just like any other graphic design software, which is super helpful. And I'm actually going to space out the text a little bit, because you can go into the spacing and you can space per letter and you can space per line. So line is if you have text that's going above and below each other, and letter is each particular letter. So I'm just gonna bump that up just a little bit so it doesn't look so squished. And because the S looks a little lonely. Just gonna move it around, and then we're gonna say soap shop. And I think that looks super, super cute. I kind of want to make these be lavender. So let's go into our elements and see if I can find lavender. Oh, perfect. So anything that has the little crown is a pro feature, but we do have some free ones. I really like this. That works so nicely. Okay, so let's replace that. We're gonna size that down. Size that down super easily. We're gonna rotate it, so you can go to the little rotate button and rotate that just a little bit. Okay, cool. So I don't think I want the year. I don't think that really matters. And we're just gonna bump that up. And we may want to adjust this. Oh, you know what? I think that works. Because what's great about this can easily become a sticker. That could be a sticker that puts on our labels for our business, for our soap, and we can also stick that on our website. Now I'm gonna show you ways to make different versions of this depending on where it goes, but this is a great black and white version. Now, I'm gonna delete the background because we don't want anything in the background. So now let's duplicate this. And what's great is that you can add titles. So we're gonna say black and white sticker, and then we're going to say color sticker. So then we're gonna go in and I'm gonna change it to a pretty lavender. I feel like that's really bright. Let's play with this a little bit. Yeah, okay. I'm liking that. Yes, that's definitely much more like lavender. And I think if it's a white sticker, I think that's really cute. So then we're gonna duplicate this again. And I am going to actually take this out of its little circle, and we're gonna make a color logo. So you have the sticker in black and white and in color, and then we'll duplicate it and make this black and white as well. So you see how easy it is to do that. And then you can also duplicate it to make a white version. So black and white, and then we're gonna duplicate it again and say the white version, which is like the reversed image. So then when you save it out, you can put it on a darker background and it will show up. That is the pro of that. All right, so then when you are all good with your logos and you love them and they're amazing, first off, you wanna make sure, okay, that does have a fill, great. So then you're gonna go to the download section. Now, they have suggested on what you should have. I highly recommend a PNG because it is gonna have a transparent background, which is what you want. And again, those are more pro features, but I think that it'll still export with no background. So we are gonna download these and check them out. Again, this is not at all sponsored. I just love Canva for all that it gives you, being a fantastic tool. Okay, so let's open this. So here we are, we have our lavender soap shop, we have the 2 stickers, and we have all the different logos. Beautiful, so beautiful. It does look like that it's exporting with a background. It looks like the transparent is a part of Pro, which makes sense. But if you do hand this off to a graphic designer, this can be something super easy that they can shift and adjust for you. But that is an easy way to create your logo. And yeah, super easy, super simple, can create a super cute logo. And yeah, like what's better than that? It's adorable. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys learned a lot about how to make your own logo in Canva and how Canva can be a huge resource to you guys. Again, Canva is not a sponsor for this. This is not sponsored, but I do love Canva because it's a great free resource for people who either don't have the means or the financial situation to hire a graphic designer, or they're just starting out, or they can't get into graphic design or don't want to, whatever it may be. This is a great platform for you to use and utilize to help your business grow and help your business in so many other ways. Make sure you give this video a like if you liked it, and comment down below what your biggest takeaway was. Have you heard of Canva before? Have you used it? Let me know down below. You can follow me over at Vanessa Jordan Photo on Instagram. That is where I live. And until next time, bye guys.